Hello students, so we are continuing with exercise 2a, question number 8.1 it is. You have to prove this thing. So if I start with the left hand side, this is basically what? 1 by 1 plus a to the power x minus y, a to the power x minus y is basically what? A to the power x by a to the power y. So this is a to the power x by a to the power y. Similarly here also 1 plus a to the power y by a to the power x. Now this means 1 by, here I will take a to the power y LCM, a to the power y plus a to the power x. Same thing I will do here. Here LCM is a to the power x. So a to the power x plus a to the power y. Now if I simplify, obviously you know this will go up. This will also go up. So you will have a to the power y by a to the power y plus a to the power x. And the second term, a to the power x will go up, a to the power x plus a to the power y. Obviously this is basically I can write like this, isn't it? 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, same thing. And this is already like this. Now what is my LCM? My LCM is a to the power x plus a to the power y. So I have a to the power y plus a to the power x. These are basically same thing. So I can cancel them out. And my final result is 1. Isn't it? Hence proved. Right? Very, very interesting question. Now let's move on to the next question. Alright, so this is going to be a very long question, so you have to pay full attention. So this is what is given. This you have to prove that this left hand side is equal to 1. Okay. So first thing that I'll do is that I'll remove the root. So I think you know, if it is like this, this is radical form, and if I bring to exponential form is x to the power 1 by a. So same thing I'll do over here. Please observe, this is p to the power a. This will be 1 by a minus c is already there, and now this a minus b will go here and will become a minus b, exponential form. Similarly second one also, p to the power b whole to the power 1 by b minus a into b minus c into p to the power c whole to the power 1 by c minus b into c minus a. Done? I hope you have understood. Okay, so let's take a fresh page. So what I have now is that p to the power a whole to the power 1 by a minus c into a minus b into p to the power b whole to the power 1 by b minus a into b minus c, and into p to the power c whole to the power 1 by c minus b into c minus a. Okay, so now this means a into a into 1 a, so a by a minus c a minus b into p to the power b by b minus a b minus c into p to the power c by c minus b c minus a. Okay, now I'll make the terms similar. See what I'll do, a to the power a minus c to মই ঘূৰাই c minus a লিখিম. Okay, সেইটো কৰাৰ লগে লগে ফ্ৰণ্টত এটা নিগেটিভ আহি যাব. Okay, now here also p to the power b by b minus a নিলিখো, আমি a minus b লিখিম. b minus c to একে থাকিব, ফ্ৰণ্টত এটা নিগেটিভ আহিব. ইয়াতো মই কোনটো ঘূৰাব লাগিব, c minus b to ঘূৰাব লাগিব, b minus c কৰিম, আকৌ এটা ফ্ৰণ্টত নিগেটিভ আহিব. এতিয়া সবতে বেছ কি আছে, সবতে বেছ আছে মোৰ p. এতিয়া কি হ'ব, p to the power এই গোটেইখিনি এড হ'ব, powers are added, so I will write like this. Okay, ভালকে চাবা, অবজাৰভেশ্যনটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় বিকজ কুৱেশ্যনটো অলপ কমপ্লিকেটেড হয়. আছে ইয়ালে. Now what I'll do, I will take the LCM. Okay, now I will take the LCM. So LCM is a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. So c minus a আৰু a minus b গুচি গ'ল so থাকি যাব b minus c so minus a into b minus c minus b into ইয়াৰ পৰা আহিব c minus a minus c into ইয়াৰ পৰা আহিব a minus b ঠিক আছে so this is now p to the power plus multiply minus ab plus ac minus bc plus ab minus ca plus bc তো মই কি কৰিলোঁ ওপৰত সব মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলোঁ so I have a minus b b minus c and c minus a now interestingly ইয়াত কি হ'ব সব cancel হ'ব plus ac minus bc plus bc so ultimately হৈ গ'ল p to the power 0 ওপৰত একো নাই by a minus b b minus c c minus a 0 by anything is 0 so p to the power 0 and anything to the power 0 is 1 then so this is how you are going to prove this particular question right so this 1 and 2 very important অলপ ভালকে চাবা if you have any doubt you can ask